So this is the same as if you do 3 or q, but then we need to raise that to 2x minus 3. Okay, so you need to remember that. That bracket. Okay, and then we're going to have 3 over 4 to the power of x is going to be equal to 3 over 4 to the power of 6x minus 9. And then we can say, well, therefore, x is equal to 6x minus 9. Okay, so therefore, we're going to say that 5x is equal to positive 9. So therefore, x is equal to 9 over 5. All right, happy with that? Yeah? Okay. You see, sometimes the equation looks so intimidating, okay, very, very scary. But with a little bit of algebra, you can do this. All right, can I wrap this up?
No.
Yeah?
Algebra.
You okay? All right.
I reckon doctors have to be smart in maths.
Question 11. Right.
So I have a smidgen of idea on what we have to do.
Nice one.
If I remember correctly.
Wait, is it one fat? Isn't it just...
Okay, so we have 9 on 25 to the power of k plus 3 is equal to the square root of 3 over 5. Right? Okay, so you can, I think that you can picture that this is somehow a power of 3 over 5. Okay? Can you see that 9 over 25 is the same as if you square 3 over 5?
Yeah.
Because 3 over 5 squared is going to be 9 on 25. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make that little change here. So you're going to put 3 over 5. So that is so good because now I have the same fraction. But on the other side, I'm going to put this as 3 over 5 to the power of a half. Do you remember? The square root is equivalent to power of a half. So we're going to say 3 over 5 to the power of a half. All right? And then we can solve it. Okay, so we're going to have 3 over 5 to the power of 2k plus 6 is equal to 3 over 5 to the power of a half. And then we solve the equation. So it's 2k plus 6 is equal to half. And then you're going to tell me what k is equal to. So therefore, k equal
5.5 divided by 2. I can do 11 over 4.
negative 11 over 4. Right. Very good. Before the test, we're going to have, harder equation like this. But when I say harder, what I actually mean longer, a little bit longer. Okay, but yeah, same sort of thing. Okay, question 12.
12 of n.
Okay, so we go 1 over 27 to the power of 3n plus 1 have to be equal to the square root of 3 over 81. Okay, so it looks like we're going to have to express all this number as power of 3. Okay, so this is 3 cubed. Okay, 27 is 3 cubed. Is that okay if I put this as 3 to the negative 3, like that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we know that this square root of 3 is just 3 to the power half. And also we know that 81 is 3 to the power of, what was it? 4? Okay. Okay, and then we're going to simplify the left-hand side. So we're going to have 3 to the power of negative 9n. Take away 3. And then here we're going to have to remember what we do when we division of powers. Okay, so do you remember that when you do division, you take away the indices? So we're going to have half take away 4. What's the answer for half take away 4? Yeah. Right? Can you see how after a little bit of manipulation you can actually reduce these two sides to the same power? Okay, and then we're going to have negative 9n minus 3 is equal to negative 3.5. And then we're going to do negative 9n is equal to, well, it's going to be negative half on the other side, because it's going to be plus 3. So negative half. And then we're going to have n is equal to, well, it's going to be 1 over 18 positive. And then that's it. All right. Okay, happy with this? Right. Can I wrap it up?
Yep.
This one? Yeah.
Copies of the textbook, like physical copies?
Yeah. I think I'll do that today.
Oh,
Yeah.
I don't want
It's up to you. It's up to you whether you want to take a copy.
Would we have to lug it around school?
No, don't you just keep it at home? That's what I'm doing with all my other textbooks.
Yeah.
It's up to you. It's up. Okay, question. So we up to question. Is it question 13 now?
Yeah.
Okay, the last question. Question 13. All right, let's see how we're going to do this one.
Yes. Yeah.
Suggestion.
So the second one would be 3 to the power of x over 2.
That's correct.
And then the
And
third
the
one would be 3 power 4 x plus 4.
That's it. Okay, so this one is going to be equal to 3 to the power of 4, and then the whole thing to the power of x plus 1.
Yes, that's what I did.
Okay, and this I'm going to do step by step. This is going to be 3 to the power of x, and then to the power of a half. Okay, and this is going to be 3 to the power of 4x plus 4. And then on the other side, we're going to have 3 to the power of x on 2. Right? So therefore, we're going to have that 4x plus 4 is equal to x on 2. So we multiply by 2. So we're going to have 8x plus 8 is equal to x. Right? Okay, and then we're going to have 7x is equal to negative 8. So then x is equal to negative 8 on 7. That's it. Right. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the equation in here, and then you're gonna do the rest of them. Okay, Ashton?